Testing, testing. Hello. I have not worked on Jumbo for in a while. Guess it's time to work on it. Right, last two things to take care of. Dynamic music and monetization. So I have to work on that. So a problem I'm facing now is my music manager is getting pretty damn messy, so I think I need to rewrite it. Before that, let me just make sure I've done my commits. Oh yeah, I have. I'll have to rewrite my... I have to rewrite my music manager. I suppose I'll implement it as a finite state machine. I imagine that could work. Oh, give me a moment, my cables is getting tangled. Just a moment. Okay, back. Oh man, it's a lot to rewrite. Event handler. Okay. To rewrite a whole bunch of stuff. I'll start by commenting out everything. Let's try that. Alright? Let's comment out everything. Ah, excuse me. What is this? Oh, it's for testing purpose. Okay, got it. Excuse me. Hey, Kalazor, what's up, man? I'm rewriting my music manager because it's getting a bit unwieldy, so I thought it's time for some refactoring. Refactoring time. I haven't been working on Jumbo for the last week. You know, I've been working on the Tiny Ships project. It's really fun, you know, to just work on an arcade title without having to worry about anything. Without having to think about retention and whatnot. It was a fun experience. Now, I have to get back to shipping this game. How about you? How's your day? Why not put ads in JJ and ship it? I think that's the plan. That's my plan. Two things actually. My plan is to finish up my dynamic music stuff. Not important, right? This is more for learning experience. As well as the ads, right? Yeah, but I want to implement this properly this time around. Well, that's not to say that I didn't implement it properly last time. Let me think. The last time I did it, my code was how do I put it? The ads wasn't really decoupled from the rest of the game, code-wise. So certain things becomes really difficult. Like for example, I no longer want to use the ad mediation platform that I was using. Right. But in order for me to remove the ad mediation platform, it means that for my old project, I have to go into my code, right, and search for all the areas where I make the function calls. And I have to make changes there. That wasn't good. So this time around, I have to code it better. Anyways, no ad mediation platform for me this time around because maintenance is kinda a pain. So I'm gonna try just one ad provider, AdMob. What do I want my music system to do? Oh, it just switch between two different music pieces. Like my composer gave me hang on, I can't hear myself over the music. Just a moment. So my composer gave me two pieces of music. One is the more upbeat version, compared to the other one, and the idea is that when the game gets exciting, right, quote unquote exciting, I would play the upbeat version. So there is this fading, I guess, fading between the two. Well, actually not fading. Wait, did I fade? I might have faded. Let me check. Code is not that good though. I have to redo this. Well, the idea is that the switch between the two pieces of music happens at a particular interval. At every bar, that's where I do the transition. Just a moment. Sync group stuff, yeah, the stuff that you introduced me. Sync group indeed. I'm gonna have to look at the coder for a bit. We're going to rewrite all of this. This is not very manageable. I don't even remember some of the stuff I've written. Let me check. What have you been doing? Switch song equals to true. Ah, there we go. Yeah, the switching of song only happens at each bar. So it switched instantly, but only at the bar, only at that particular interval. Got it, got it. Yep. Okay. Celebrating completing the UI. Yeah! It was your birthday yesterday? Oh, damn! Happy belated birthday.
Nani?
Happy birthday, man. I'm trying to look for a cake emoji, but I can't find. Can't find one. Can you settle for some popcorn instead? You kinda need to remix your GDD. What about it? I'm just writing out all the different states. Most of this is trivial, but in game the dynamic stuff have to kick in, so the logic would for the in-game music would be different. So then it should be like that. Just trying to organize the code to rewrite this whole part. Okay. We're basically going to take the ideas from what you already got and mix them with the beat 'em up idea. Mix them. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm looking forward to it then. Hey, Captain Blade. What's up? Oh, I got them scores. Oh, the grading? Ah, the grading. I'm not even halfway done. Oh, that's too much. Yeah, man. Well, thanks. I appreciate you bringing this up. I will have to get back to grading after this. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah. It's always like that. Every semester, right? At the end of every semester is always a mad rush to get everything graded. Anyways, I'm trying to rewrite my music manager because the code is a mess. Because it starts out really simple, right? Then then I have more and more states to the music manager, right? And then I needed like dynamic music for, well, not dynamic music, just the BPM stuff, the beating, the beats, affecting the background elements. Yeah, all of that logic has to be written somewhere. So I wrote it in the music manager, and over time the code just looks less and less readable. So I'ma rewrite it. How's your day, by the way, Captain Blade? Oh no, the mouth is broken again. Hi. Oh man, why does it keep doing that? Come on, man. I'm gonna have to play the performance. Looks like I'm suffering a stroke or something. Okay. But my mouth will no longer be moving. I guess I can put a face mask over it or something. Yeah, I know, right? Don't know how that happened. It's annoying that it keeps happening. Yeah, I guess I'll fix that tomorrow or something. Just let it be for now. I should write something to generate all of this bunch of code, right? Very repetitive. What do you think of the change you made on the morality system? How was it like before? I kind of forgot how it works before. I mean, I've seen the latest, the one that you have, but I don't know how it worked before. Before you lock the player and make them press the button, then they right. Yeah, then what you have now is definitely better, I feel. But is there a need to do that for every enemy? Because like, what if say what if suppose I want to play as the good guy, right? So then does it mean that for every single enemy, right, I have to manually go and spare them? Because if I need to do that, then it might slow down the gameplay as well. So like even though it's better than the previous one, right, it may not. You might still run into the problem of the entire sequence feeling a bit repetitive. I guess like in Bioshock, it wasn't like a choice that you have to make like throughout the entire course of the game, right? It only comes in at specific moments, like with the little sisters. If you want to be the bad guy, you also have to walk up to them and do it. Yeah, so maybe that is, uh, maybe that could be something you have to consider. Because either way, it you have to do this same thing over and over and over, right? For every single enemy. Hmm. Yeah. That's it. I don't actually know what would be a possible replacement of the mechanic. What if you were to, after every kill, time slows down for a brief moment, and in that moment you can spare a kill? Ah. And rather than going to the hurt body, then pressing the button. Right, right. Right. My last sentence? No, have you seen Kalazor's suggestion? It says that what if after every kill, time slows down for a brief moment? If you leave all of the enemies as they are, right, on the floor, does that count as sparing them? It's like fleeing from an enemy in RPG. Ah. Oops. Five different states. Okay, let me have a drink of water. will keep this. Keep this here. This is the callbacks for each beat. Callback for each beat. Freezing time is interesting, but you're a bit worried that it'll get repetitive after a while. Must it be something that you have to do for every single enemy? Could it be a special action that is reserved only for the most special ones? Like, it can be limited to the bosses. Maybe. Because if it's with the bosses, then you can include narrative elements, you know, like dialogue between the characters. Then it will make maybe that would make the action of sparing or killing the boss like a bit more meaningful. Maybe. You've thought about making it boss specific. Might do that. Hey! Alright, man. Hilarious. I just started work and I'm already tired. Let's see. Volume mod. What is desired volume? Goodness. I can't read any of my code anymore. Ah. Okay. Got it. Should call it like, instead of volume mod, let's call it master volume. Members. Yeah, I suppose how do I put it? I mean, if your game allows for stealth, then perhaps no, actually that's feature creep, right? That's not a good idea to do that now. It's just that for a game that is centered around combat, right? For a game that's centered around combat, having to implement the morality system per enemy is going to be really difficult. I mean, how do you make it not repetitive, right? I also do not know. No, but if you have the option, right, if you have the option to not engage in combat at all, then I guess that would count as sparing them, right? But then would that be fun? Right? I think that's the challenge. Master volume. Oh, excuse me. Let me sing. You think your current system can get a bit anotic? What's that? I probably need a message bus. That means I need to keep this. There you go. Annoying is what you meant. Ah, I see, I see. Oh damn! I hate typing on mobile. It's so difficult. So I do Duolingo, and I realized that you know the parts in Duolingo where you need to type in an English sentence, man, it's always so difficult to get it right. You keep typing you keep king in the wrong letters. You hate send buttons. Room change. UI level select. UI pause. Got it. Level select. Where's my level select? Oh, it's not game event, is it? Wait, it is. UI level select. Got it. If you wanna send, you press Twitch send button, but you don't need another one on your keyboard. Right. Do I need to keep track of the current active song? I guess I probably need to do that. Guess today will just be a refactoring session. Nothing too exciting. Excuse me. Selection. There should be an audio is playing, right? Excuse me. So what am I doing here? Right, this is playing the title theme. Playing the title theme. Good. Wait, but let me see. I have to change the volume somewhere. Let me check. Yep, the title volume set to 0.5. Got it. In that case, I need to call audio sound gain. What if you had an auto smash less kill option? Oh, I mean you could do that, but But I guess it cheapens that action. Oh, but by the way, I'm just giving my opinion. I could be totally wrong. Like only you know your game best. Hey, Lucius is here. Hi, my little PogChamp, he says. It kind of defeats the point, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Removing player interaction kind of defeats the purpose. It's like Dragon Quest 11. You completed the game, but every fight was on the speed up mode, right? Sassy leader Baka, what the heck? Yeah. When is Jump Jabbar releasing? In a month or two, I think. Probably October, I think. October. Probably October. But I want to end development this month. So I will have like some time to just do up the release materials. You know? Yeah, it's not a good idea to just release the game immediately after you finish development on it. Yeah, that's not the way. So I'll hold on to it, right? And then I'll release it once I'm sure I've communicated with the platform owners, I guess. That's the Giga Chat move. That's not a Giga Chat move. Like making a game and then releasing it immediately without any preparation is not a chat move. Release with all the bugs. Oh yeah. So you did with your gem game. Oh, gem titles are different. Gem titles. The chat move is making preparation way before release. Oh yeah, that is correct. Yeah. And as it's obvious by now, right? I'm terrible at the PR and the marketing side of things. Okay, this one is done. I saw the bugs. Wait, which bug? A Giga Chat move is never releasing a game because you can't figure out your core mechanic. Kalazon is doing a 12-hour stream. Oh man, please don't. It's so unhealthy. Oh wait, I want to show Captain Blade something. Let me see if I can find it. Give me a moment. I have a GIF somewhere. Yeah, I found it. Did you see that? This is what you were referring to, right? Look at that. It's the texture got screwed up. You can see that the screen filter, my scan lines is broken. It's drawing something else. It's hilarious. It's a weird bug. You can see that for a moment, right? The head becomes a spaceship or something. I don't know. Gonna take breaks and eat and drink and stuff. Cool. That's great. It's beautiful. I'll maybe implement a bug filter. Glitch filter. Turn on the filter and everything appears like that. Alright, man. Wanna know why the stream is gonna be so long? Yeah, do tell. It's not healthy though. 12-hour stream is not healthy. People die from sitting on the chair for 12 hours straight, man. That reminds me, I should stand up. You're doing the thing I'll be strongly against you doing. What's that? Feature creep? Adding features? You're not going to be sitting for 12 hours straight. Yeah, that's true. He's gonna remake the entire game. Oh my god. Starting again because the code is messy. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Does that mean you're rewriting your UI? I hope not. Well, it looks like Lucius and you are on the same wavelength. What's up with you, Lucius? Why are you like communicating with through memes these days? I kinda sus tonight. You're spending too much time on TikTok. Yeah, that has to be it. You're going to copy and paste most of it and add helpful. Oh yeah, maybe that helps. Yeah, that'd be cool. I'm trying to figure out what I should write here. Funny. Got it. I need to call update here. Oh, okay, what else? I'm quite a bit tired tonight, to be honest. I'll just do this slowly. Changing a lot of the main area. You'll be changing a lot of it anyways. Right. Any amount of time spent on TikTok is too much time spent on TikTok. I'm thinking of posting stuff about my games on TikTok. Yeah, that's why I asked Lucius how I should go about doing it. I mean, I have to push myself, right? Like, otherwise I will forever be developing within a void. I have to try to get my work out there. You're using someone else's vector 2 code, right? But you wouldn't know how to edit the scripts yourself, you don't fully understand how they work and stuff. So you think you may ditch them. They have been super helpful when it comes to super smooth movement. Right, right, right. Okay, options. A. Gosh, the code is on UI pause. Am I using UI's pause for the options menu as well? I guess I am. Yeah, I am. Okay. 0.4 is the right one. Got it. 0.4. Hang on, eh? Need to think about this. 0.5 here. 0.4? Is that it? Is that the logic? Zero 0.4. Zero 0.5. Okay. Random nodes, but never press alternate A in GameMaker. It creates a shader and you can't get rid of it unless you go into project. Huh? Really? Wow. Never tried that. You just make sure to comment when you use it. Right, right. Do I stream on a Wednesday? Me? For this semester, no. But my streaming schedule changes from semester to semester. It's like every 3 to 4 months it will change. And during the holidays, I don't necessarily stick to a schedule. But yeah, at the moment I don't stream on Wednesdays. Why though? Why do you ask? You still can't think of a way to possibly make a morality mechanic that isn't repetitive. At some point in time, the player has to press a button to perform an action that will be performed over and over again throughout the game. Yeah, I ask. Yeah, I ask you, Calazar. I was just wondering why you ask. Wednesday is tomorrow, right? Oh yeah, that's your 12-hour stream. Because your 12-hour stream will start around 3 PM for me to. Oh, okay. That's great. I will drop by while I'm grading stuff. I spent my whole day grading today, you know. I have no life. Goodness. Spend the whole day grading and then in the evening I work on my game. I just realized I spent my entire day in front of the computer. Well, I guess I spend every day in front of the computer. Oh. Should get out more. Okay, game start. Just give everyone A like last. There's no such thing like last time. What do you mean? I've never given everyone A. The heck? Lucius, you're going to get me into trouble. What if you suddenly threw all your game design plans in the trash and make it a turn-based game? This sounds like a trap. It's a trap. I mean, if you feel very strongly about it, then go for it. But I think it's important that we recognize certain patterns, because I have been victims of that as well. I have I have entered this spiral where I just either keep adding stuff or keep changing stuff, and it's just never gonna end. I think the worst one is after at some point I'll be like, you know what? Let's work on a new game. And then I'll come back to the old one later. And when that happens, it means the old game is gone for good. You say that as a joke. Oh, right. I see. Unfortunately, that's not an option for you. Right. You have no. You cannot move on to a new project, right? You made yourself a promise. Actually, that's a good way to force yourself to finish something. You hate most turn-based games with a passion. Oh. Yeah, I'm not a fan as well. That's the reason why I don't play any Pokemon aside from the very first one. Right, I play Yellow, and then that's it. That's it. I cannot complete any other Pokemon. But I think I want to give Shin Megami Tensei a try, just based on its presentation, you know, how weird it is. You like the Mother series? Which you play them all? I've only played a bit of Earthbound, which is Mother 2, right? I only played that one. Shin Megami Tensei is better than Pokemon, right? Except for Mother 1, right? How did you get a hold of Mother 3? Is that like a fan translation? I imagine that's what you tried, right? Mother 1 is crap, but 2 and 3 is pretty good. I see. You might compromise the design a lot and change stuff, but if it fits the initial design and works, you don't mind changing it. Yeah, man. That's the way to go. You play the fan translation. When's the official one gonna come? Probably never. It's taking so long. Why not make a game like Mother? That would be cool, right? But I personally, for me, I probably cannot make a game like Mother. I'm not sure I can write. Yeah, I know, you're not referring to me. Yeah, I'm just like chiming in. A game like Mother that has a morality mechanic for every enemy. Sounds like a pretty popular game. It does, right? It does. Oh, what am I doing here? Ah, you know what? Let's test it out. Overtail. Ah, it broke. On event function, callback function not implemented. But it is implemented. Oh. Oh, I get it. Okay. Still broke. An active song. Huh? Oh, goodness, what is this? Music. This music title, got it. Dreaming, goodness. Okay, so when I leave the selection screen... No, let me think. When I leave the option screen, oh, the truth is I don't even need to worry about this, actually. Alright. This thing will handle the volume. You're gonna keep this mechanic and release a prototype and see how people think about it. Yeah. Go for it. When do you intend to release? I guess for stuff like this, the earlier you test it, the better. Oh man, how do I do this? The hell is sync group volume mod? What is that? Oh. Why did I play? I'm playing the audio at a very low volume, eh? Huh. I can just use this volume mod actually. Right? Let me think. No. change by audio setting. Okay. Soon TM. Indeed. Give you an oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I have no idea why there's like 2 instances of the sound. I've been trying to figure out what's causing that. That's weird. Anyways, oh yeah. Oh yeah. What else do I need to do? This one. This one. This whole thing here. Init in-game music sync group. I have this weird line here, right? Just making sure to load music. You see this part here? I have to start the sync group and then immediately stop it. So I realized if I don't do this, right, then on mobile, at least on the Android device, the very first time I start the level, right, the game might end up loading for like 2 seconds. It just freeze. The character will just freeze for 2 seconds while the music is loading. I don't know why that happens. Yeah, but 2 seconds is a lot. Okay, now that that is done, actually I shouldn't need to have this, to be honest. Let's get rid of this. That was probably a hack that I left in there. The mouse to scale metal ball by, let's keep it there. Time to make sure everything is updated and ready to go for tomorrow. Then, you guess... Wait, what? So you're not messing with it in the morning, right? All the best. 12 hour. So you're going to... Wait, what time are you starting? 9 AM? 8 AM? Eight AM to 8 PM. Oh my goodness. I don't know what the scale offset is. Let me check. It's for the balls. Maybe longer. A 12-hour stream is nuts, man. It's nuts. There we go, I knew it, I need this. So when I enter the game state, I need to cue the existing audio. This one. Okay, to reset all of these values here. It's not gonna work on the first try, right? It's probably going to break every single thing. Let me just keep this as well. And this is for pause. I want to know what this is. State. What is this state supposed to be? Oh, enter and exit, I see. Got it. Got it. Got it. Enter and exit. So this is enter. The next two is exit, okay. Actually, let me check what volume mod is used for. Volume mod is get BGMs, get BGM volume. Desired volume, what is that? Oh. Right. 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 Just keep track of this. There's a whole bunch of mistakes in the code here. Just making sure I got it all correct. Not sure if I actually need this. Yeah, actually, what if I remove it first? Remove stuff I don't need. Okay. So I have this sync group volume mod here for some reason. Double check something. Ah, okay. Okay. I think this is 0.1. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Zero 0.4 here. Wait a second. Options. Sorry. Some time to think about this. 0.4. Is that correct? Just staring at the screen. Volume times volume mod. This is the master volume here. Yeah, 0.4. It's not a lot, is it? Guess I'll just half it. Half it, 0.25. Just do this first. This part here has some magic numbers, but I guess I'll fix that later. 0.25. 0.25. Got it. Okay, finally onto the part that I don't really want to touch. This one. Game. Okay. Start game theme. There we go. I think this is okay. I hope this is okay. What else? Where's the part where I stop the audio for the in-game music or the game theme? Where is it? Here. Thing. You know what? I should not have a pause event at all. I mean, I should not have a pause state at all. Let me remove it. I don't even think I need an option state. Let's remove that as well. Well, that was a waste of time. So when I exit from here, I can do this. Stop sync group. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I think that should work. Give me a moment, I get a drink of water. Okay. Okay. Okay, now time to handle this level select. Level select. That's where I check the state, right? Let me think. Wait, why am I listening to a level selection? Oh. Okay. I cue the audio when I select the level. Got it. I think this should work. I need this pause triggered for both options menu and pause menu. I'll take this part here, dump it in here. It should still work, I think. Some of the values in here needs to change. thing. Okay, I'll keep this here. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, what else? Next up would be the room change. This is where I determine when I change state. Let's see. Actually, I don't need this first one. That should work, right? Time to sort out your Discord. Your Discord? Discord with only you and Lucius in it? Wow. You set up ages ago but never promoted or expanded up. Oh, I see. I see, I see. Still to give you feedback. Oh, that's nice. Will you be promoting it tomorrow then? That'd be great. Most likely, that's great. Oh, excuse me. Doing the streaming thing more than once a month. Yeah? Okay, I just wrote a whole bunch of stuff and I have no idea if they'll run properly. Well, at least this new code makes more sense than the old one. Okay. Okay, time to figure this one out. I guess I will just let this one be. I need to change certain variable names, so I rename certain things. Oh, this should be return the FSM. Oops. Oops. Should be in the FSM. There you go. Oh, okay. Now this page is going to look pretty damn long. Damn it, 400 lines. Oh wait, this. I guess I can get rid of this later. Okay, this is the stuff here. Do I have events channels? So do you know how to get rid of what's an event channel? I don't see an event channel. No, not me. I don't see it. It's like this. Ah, okay, there you go. Why do I have all this stuff? Oh, okay, got it. This is for muting and unmuting, got it. Yeah, anyway, I've never seen an event channel. Yeah, there's a weird quick hack here. It might be because you set out your Discord as a community one and not a regular. Oh. Oh. Surely there's a way to change it? Fix get track position is unreliable. All kinds of weird stuff. Like, I don't know why game makers get track position is not reliable. It can go back in time sometimes. Okay. Blah blah blah. This file is done. And then what is this? Oh. This has to be written elsewhere. Let me think about this for a bit. Yeah, got it. I don't need to do this in title actually. There you go. Let me check something. There might be some bugs involved. I might have some bug in the code. Master volume. Persistent data manager get BGM volume. Ah, there's this check here. Is this okay? This looks okay. So I don't actually need this. I don't need to check this. It's guaranteed to be playing. Let's try and see if it works. It probably wouldn't work. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's loud. Oh, why is it playing right here? Oh, this seems to work. Oh, oopsie daisy. It's very loud though. Hang on, let me lower the volume. Apologies. Nine 136. Oh, it's this thing. Got it. There's also one other thing. The music kicked in way too soon. So I need another state, which is idle. Splash screen basically. Just call it splash. Just call it splash. Oh, no music. Let me turn it back on. What's this music? Music by Big Giant Circles. Make some changes to the event trigger here, here. There we go. Let me test and see if this one works first. Okay, at least this part is working correctly, right? No music. No side effects. Okay, good. Now, time to look into game update. Here, there's a bunch of code here that's not working. What if I replace this? Not intense. Intense. Oh, I hope this works, man. Let's try it out. If this works, I think I can have a break and sleep, maybe. Okay. Seems fine. Seems fine. Seems fine. Right, look at that. Seems fine. Seems fine. The background animation still seems to be working. You can kind of see that it's pulsing. Oops. Oh, freak. There you go. Let me test it a bit more. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Is the in-game audio significantly louder? Or maybe that's fine. Maybe it's fine. Hang on. Let me think. I can get rid of all this stuff. Get rid of all this stuff. Good. Alright, can get rid of all this stuff. Oh, that's long. This one is long. Ah, much cleaner. Okay. I'm almost there. I just feel like the level selection's music might be a bit too soft. I halved it. What if I do 0.7? Maybe that's fine. Okay, after this I will probably be off to sleep. Is there anyone can raid? Let me check. Right, so this is the default volume. Then if I click on this, it gets a bit softer. Even softer. Hang on. I want it to be a bit softer. Compiling, compiling, compiling. Oops. Okay. No, wait, I need to restart again. Original volume. Softer. Then in-game. I think that's fine. I think that's fine. Overthinking it. You've been brainstorming ideas and you think you have something. Oh, please share. Please share. What do you have? In the meantime, right, let me just take a look. Pixel art. Looking BT. Let me check. Ah, okay, sure thing, sure thing. We can rate them. Oh, nice graphics. It's drawing stuff. Looks fun. Anyways, Captain Blade. What ideas do you have? Well, in the meantime, I think I will do a recap. So, I didn't I did not add any content today. Today's stream is primarily to refactor my music manager, which has gotten really unwieldy with like extremely crappy code. So I thought like I need to organize them and separate the logic into states, right? My music manager has states now, right? There's the title state, there's the selection, the menu selection state, and then there's the game state. Pause and options are not states, right? They just modify the volume a little bit. And that I think that makes my code more manageable now, more scalable, more readable actually. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. So what would I have to do next? I will have to actually implement the dynamic music. That's one. And then after that, I have to work on the monetization. You also got the game title idea. What game title idea? Oh, Captain Blade's idea. This is kind of cheating. You don't even know if you can even call it a morality mechanic, but basically at the beginning of the game, all enemies run away from you when you get close to killing them. So there is this stat called savagery that you gain by killing bosses, and over time, as you get more and more of this stat, enemies run away slower, allowing you to execute them. So it's less about pacifist slash genocide and more about how far you can push our limits. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. I mean, that could be interesting. The execution is going to be really difficult, I think. Like, how do you make it look natural? By run away, does it mean you have to do pathfinding? Gun well, because you need to gun well to progress. And also the game will be centered around a well of some sort. The title for the beat 'em up was spell well, but combining the stuff now with guns, I think gun well sounds nice. I think gun well sounds nice too, but you are going to draw comparison with down well, I think. But aside from that, I think it's a great title. No, they literally just run in the opposite direction. No shush. Oh, they just run in the opposite. Ah, I see, I see, I see. I guess that could work. That could work. Also, basically, it's an animation that will play out, and after the animation is done, basically the enemy fades away. Is something like that. So the stronger you get, the slower the animation. That means it gives you more time to kill them. That could work. It literally runs away from you and you can't catch up to it in the beginning. And it's only later after you upgraded that you can kill them. That could work, that could work. Yeah, get feedback. We're all willing to give you playtesting feedback. Yeah, anyways, I guess that's it. It literally physically runs away. Right. Right. On. Move the pin dot? What do you mean? What's up? Okay, I guess that's it. Hey, thanks guys. Thanks man. Thanks Halazor. Thanks Captain Blade. It's nice having you all here. Oh, what does the function in the step event mean and how do they work differently? It's the create event. Yeah, it's the create event. It's the create event. This is my step event. There we go. You've seen one person write a function in the step event and was wondering why. It's nothing much. It's just a function definition, right? Yeah. I don't think there's any difference. Maybe it's less efficient. I'm not sure, you know, if you do something like this. Like my fang. I'm not sure if you do this, right? I'm not sure if you are like redefining the function every frame. I'm not sure if that's what's happening. I do not know how it works internally. Yeah. But I tend to just do it in create. Okay, anyway, thanks everyone. I think I'm done for the night. I have to go back and grade more stuff. Why don't we do a raid? So what's gonna happen is I will run the outro and then we will raid Lurking BT. It was this guy. Good luck grading. Hey, thanks man. I appreciate it. Oh, the guy you did that? Okay, I'll go check it out later. Thanks for the link. Let me just type in the command first. The command is /raid. Yeah. I don't raid a lot, so I forgot how to do it. Lurking _BT. Okay. Anyways, I will run the outro. Thanks guys, thanks man. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.